Do you want to make money online? Many people are doing it by selling digital products. You can do it too. It's a great way to earn extra income or even start a new career. In this video, we will explore how to flip digital products for profit. It's easier than you think, and you can start right away. Instead of selling physical goods, you are selling digital files. These files can be anything that people can download. This includes ebooks, courses, music, templates, and more. The possibilities are endless and the potential for profit is huge. The best part is that you don't need to create the products yourself. You can buy and sell existing products. This is called flipping digital products, and it's a great way to make money quickly. So if you're ready to learn how to make money online with digital products, keep watching. In the next section, we'll explain exactly what digital product flipping is and how it works. But before we continue, if you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then watch some more of our videos. Flipping digital products is like flipping houses, but instead of houses, you're flipping digital files, specifically PDFs. You buy a PDF at a low price, then you sell it for a higher price. It's that simple. Imagine finding a great ebook about gardening for only $5. You know a lot of people who love to garden. You could easily sell that ebook for $10 or even $15. PDFs are a popular choice for flipping because they are easy to share and download. They also look professional and can be viewed on any device. This makes them very appealing to buyers. In the next section, we'll walk you through the steps to start flipping digital products yourself. Here are the essential steps to start flipping digital products and making a profit online. First, find a niche. What are people interested in? Choose a topic that you are knowledgeable about or find interesting. This will make it easier for you to find and sell products. Consider trends and what people are currently searching for. The more specific your niche, the better you can target your audience. Second, find a marketplace. There are many online marketplaces where you can buy and sell digital products. Some popular options include Etsy, Gumroad, and even Shopify. Each platform has its own audience and fee structure, so choose one that aligns with your goals and the type of products you want to sell. Third, research products. Look for products that are in high demand and have good reviews. Make sure the products are high quality and offer value to the customer. Check out what your competitors are offering and identify gaps in the market that you can fill with your unique products. Fourth, set your price. You need to price your product competitively while still making a profit. Research similar products to see what they are selling for. Consider your costs, including any fees from the marketplace, and set a price that reflects the value of your product while being attractive to buyers. Fifth, list your product. Create a compelling product listing that highlights the benefits of your product. Use high-quality images and write a clear and concise description. Make sure to include keywords that potential buyers might use to search for your product, and consider offering a money-back guarantee to build trust. Sixth, promote your product. Let people know about your product. Share it on social media, in forums, and with your email list if you have one. Utilize different marketing strategies such as influencer partnerships, paid ads, and content marketing to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your listings. Lastly, provide excellent customer service. Answer questions promptly and resolve any issues quickly. Happy customers are more likely to buy from you again in the future. Encourage reviews and feedback to build your reputation and improve your products. By following these steps, you can start flipping digital products and earning money online today. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn this into a profitable venture. Section 4. Benefits of selling digital products. Selling digital products offers many benefits over traditional physical products. Here are just a few. Low overhead. You don't need to worry about manufacturing, storage, or shipping costs. This means you keep more of your profits. High profit margins. Digital products have very low production costs, which means you can sell them for a much higher price than it costs you to acquire them. Passive income. Once you create or acquire a digital product, you can sell it over and over again without any additional effort. Flexibility. You can work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Set your own hours and be your own boss. Scalability. You can easily scale your business by adding more products or reaching a wider audience. With so many advantages, it's no wonder that more and more people are choosing to sell digital products online. Section 5. Examples of successful digital product flips. Many people are finding success by flipping digital products. This involves buying digital items at a low cost, making improvements or customizations, and then reselling them at a higher price. Here are a few examples. Sarah. Sarah found a beautiful planner template for $10. She saw potential in it and decided to make it her own. She made a few small changes to customize it, and then listed it on Etsy for $20. Her unique touch made it stand out in the crowded marketplace. She has now sold over 1,000 copies. Her success story is truly inspiring. John. John is passionate about photography. He wanted to share his knowledge with others. He found an ebook about photography tips and tricks for $5. It was a good start, but he knew he could add more value. He added some of his own tips and then sold it on his website for $15. His personal insights made the ebook even more valuable. He has made over $5,000 in profit. His journey shows how passion can be turned into profit. Mary. Mary is a graphic designer. She wanted to leverage her skills to create something useful. She created a set of social media templates and listed them on Creative Market for $25. Her designs were both functional and aesthetically pleasing. She has now made over $10,000 from selling her templates. Her creativity and hard work paid off. These are just a few examples of the many people who are making money by flipping digital products. The possibilities are endless. With a little creativity and effort, you can do it too. Start exploring the world of digital product flipping today and see where it takes you. Section 6. Marketing tips for your digital products. In this section, we will explore various strategies to effectively market your digital products and reach your target audience. Once you have your digital product ready, it's time to start marketing it. The right marketing strategy can make all the difference in getting your product noticed. Here are a few tips to get you started. First, use social media. Social media platforms are powerful tools for reaching potential customers. Social media is a great way to connect with potential customers. Engage with your audience by posting regularly and responding to comments. Share your product on popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Each platform has its unique audience, so tailor your content accordingly. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility and run targeted ads to reach a wider audience. Start an email list to keep in touch with your customers. Email marketing is a powerful tool for promoting digital products. It allows you to communicate directly with your audience. Offer a free lead magnet like a checklist or cheat sheet in exchange for email signups. This helps you build a list of interested prospects. Then, you can promote your products to your subscribers through regular email campaigns. Collaborate with others to expand your reach. Partner with other creators in your niche to cross-promote your products. Collaboration can introduce your product to a new audience. You can offer affiliate commissions or do joint venture launches. This can be mutually beneficial and increase your sales. Run contests and giveaways. Everyone loves free stuff. Running a contest or giveaway is a great way to generate buzz and excitement around your product. It encourages engagement and can attract new customers. By following these tips, you can get your product in front of the right people and start making sales. Remember, consistency and engagement are key to successful marketing. Section 7. Your potential earnings and conclusion. The earning potential for flipping digital products is unlimited. It all depends on the product, your marketing efforts, and the demand in your chosen niche. Some people make a few $100s per month, while others make thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars per month. Flipping digital products is a great way to make money online. It's a low-risk, high-reward business that anyone can start. So what are you waiting for? Start flipping today. Remember, success takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep learning, keep marketing, and keep providing value to your customers. With persistence and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life of your dreams. The information provided on this website video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. We make no guarantees regarding the level of success you may experience. Examples of earnings or income are only estimates of what you could earn. There is no assurance you will achieve the same results, which will depend on your experience, effort, and market factors beyond our control. We make no representations or warranties of any kind, express or implied, about your potential earnings, income, or financial success. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching!